Yes, hello everyone. This is how we can easily get started with YilibaPro. And the first step, I'm going to show everyone how you can create an account on YilibaPro. And this is our homepage, and this is how it looks like. So you go to the login. Oh, when you try to log in, that means you have an account already, but we don't have an account. I assume no one has an account yet. Oh, I don't have an account yet. So I'll come and say, create an account. So when I'm creating an account, I must be aware of the type of business I'm going to be running. For example, today I want to work with a hardware business. So I'm going to call it, what name should I give it? Swipe hardware store. So I'll swipe hardware store. I'll choose a name. I'll use the same names. I'll need a space. Okay. Now I'm going to decide whether I'm using a phone number or an email. Basically, I'm going to use a phone number. The number 07 6641 436189. That's the number I'm going to be using for now. And then I'll create a password. This password should be private. You don't have to share it with anyone. Okay. Inputting my password. I'll confirm the password. And I'm done. I'll create an account. It's loading. So there's a verification message that will be sent. I'll check my phone. I've received the message on my phone. And I'll input the code that has been sent to me. And the code is 8582 and then I verify my account. I'll be told to log in, so I come and log in again. What's my number? That's my number. Okay, I'll input the password that I used. And then I log in. So when I log in, this is how my homepage looks like. You can see this is my name and this is my business. My business name is given up there. I can create branches if I want, but I'll not start with that for now. I'll need to add items. So